Sige, anak! Do you understand the course of fire?
Yep.
Load and make ready. Shooter ready?
Okay.
Holster. Shooter ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Up! Load and make ready. Holster. Stand by. Up.
Matagal pa po ba bago mag-champion si Bullet?
Sandali na lang. May ilang shooter na lang kailangan niyang talunin. Pero may isang medyo mabigat na kalaban.
Si Jetro Dionisio yan. Magaling yan. Sikat na sikat yan, kuya.
Ang pulso niya, mahusay.
Oo.
Pero talo pa rin po yan ni Bullet.
Bilib na bilib talaga sa pinsan niya to eh.
Load and make ready. Shooters ready.
Ready.
Ready. Stand by. Up. Ano masasabi niyo tinalo niya ang kampiyon na si Jetro Dionisio? Ba kayo nahirapan kayo autistic siya?
Hindi naman. Ang isang autistic ay nagkakaroon ng isang expertise. Kay Bullet ay sa target shooting. Kaya ganon.
Congratulations
Panalo.
po, napakagaling na inyong anak. Thank you very much po.
Oh, Bullet. Eto na yung kotse natin.
Dito, Bullet! Bullet, oh. Sabay! Oh.
Okay.
Mr. West, I think there's been a misunderstanding.
It's all right. It's okay.
Thank you.
It's him. Guy from China.
What? Come in, please. Mr. West, I would like you to meet Detective Inspector Lee. Excuse me very much. Oh, yes. Look at him. Where the hell is Carter?
Hey man, y'all seen little Aiden do about this height with steel wheels on?
That's curious stuff.
Pare,
What you say?
huwag ka nang papalaga.
You take your
Mamamatay
little
ka lang.
sensitive ass up there and let me in. Get out of the way. Don't make me get up out of this truck. Man, when I get up in here, I'm slapping somebody. I'm gonna play that.
Tay! Tay! Tama na yan. Kaya na. Champion na to. Full champion. Champion.
Wala mo ko, Bullet, please.
Champion Bullet.
Kain ng kain. Laro kayo ng laro eh. Bullet, kain.
Saan?
Kain.
Punta tayo
Tayo.
dun.
Dito.
Kunin mo yun. Ito, pindutin mo ah. Ganda,
Tayo
no?
pwede kami lalabas sandali. Ha?
O sige, pero huwag kayong lalayo ha, magdidilim na.
Tay, sasama ko kay Bullet ah.
O sige, wag mo siyang
Okay.
hiwalayan, ha?
Opo.
Halika na. Bilis.
Tara, Bullet. Bilis.
Takbo.